Alexander, and I am so excited to be sharing my latest project with you, which is a new YouTube channel called Dish About the Dish. Now, if you read any of my books, especially the Sprawling A Ranch series, there's usually a big party involved. Somebody cooks or makes something, and it's a meal or a dish that holds special significance for them, or it's a way for them to show their love. Now, I've also realized throughout the years that our biggest, strongest memories involve food and the meals that we eat. And I want to hear more of those stories, and I want to share them all with you. So that is where you're going to find Dish About the Dish. So there'll be some interviews, there'll be some cooking tutorials, and an occasional surprise or two along the way. So I would love to hear from your stories. If you want to be a part of it, just email me at dishaboutthedish@gmail.com. Right now we're putting together videos and content and putting all the blocks together so that when we do launch the channel, we can just start trucking right ahead. So subscribe to the channel. We would love to see you. Follow us on Instagram. And until then, we'll see you next time, y'all.